Despite what the name might suggest, wet cement isn't about concrete or construction. It's a metaphor for how we lay the foundation for inclusive, empowered, and equitable cultures, a place where everyone can make their mark. I'm Jen Wheely, and I founded Wet Cement in 2017 to integrate diversity, equity, and inclusion, leadership, and soft skills training rather than offering siloed programs. Our customized and comprehensive programs combine keynote speaking, training, coaching, and consulting. Our workshops are based on original research with behavioral scientists from Wharton on the barriers to reaching your professional potential. Our 18 programs focus on the fearless fundamentals: confidence, communication, connection, control, and culture. Popular topics include managing imposter syndrome, inclusive leadership, and business storytelling. We specialize in gender equity and developing employee resource groups and women's leadership programs. As a certified disability and women-owned business, we understand intersectionality and allyship. We partner most often with leaders in diversity, equity, and inclusion, learning and development, HR, employee resource groups, and executives committed to culture, change, and innovation. When leaders want to empower the people who power their business, they choose Wet Cement. And we can't wait to help you make your mark.